Deaf and Hear Alberta is a non-profit organization supporting the deaf and hard of hearing communities in Alberta. We envision a world where the deaf, hard of hearing, and those at risk of hearing loss can fully participate in society. We are working on bridging the gap between the deaf, hard of hearing, and hearing communities. We support our clients and partners with wraparound services, accessibility, education, communication, and advocacy. We offer a scholarship fund through the Tom Pinder Education Scholarship, and it is up to $2,000 that is awarded annually to one or more deaf and/or hard of hearing adult learners. Our deaf and interpreting services offer American Sign Language interpreting in person or through the VRI. We also offer classes in person and online. Our hearing services offer sound advice educational programs and presentations, peer mentoring programs, either individual or group, and lip reading classes, both in person and online. Our accessibility services offer assistive technology demonstrations, one-to-one consultations with clients, online store for amplified devices and safety equipment. They also offer workplace assessments, which give strategies for communication in the workplace. We offer sensitivity training, workplace redesign, and assistive technology. What is assistive technology? It can be listening devices and communication products, and they are available online at our e-store. We have home and office devices, headphones, amplified telephones, as well as alarm clocks. Home safety devices include products that alert for doorbells, smoke detectors, CO detectors, or weather warnings or other alerts. They're available online at our e-store. What is tinnitus? It can be intermittent or continuous and can vary in loudness. It does not come from an external source and sounds like ringing or buzzing, hissing, or a combination. It is often worse when the background noise is low, and stress and fatigue seem to worsen tinnitus. Some of the strategies that offer relief are relaxation and meditation strategies, some sound conditioners, which again are available on our e-store. We cannot remove tinnitus, but these are effective in making sounds less noticeable. Our sound advice program are free educational sessions in person and online. Some of the titles include Hearing Matters, Managing Your Hearing Loss, Live with and Love Your Hearing Aids. We also offer lip reading classes in person and online, and for those you can register through our e-store. Our Peer to Hear program helps you connect, share, and empower. We have one-to-one mentor-mentee sessions. We offer group mentoring on site. These offer strategies for communication, peer understanding and support. We have a meetup support group and a private Facebook group. At Deaf and Hear Alberta, we are here to support you. Thank you. You can contact us through our website, our email, by telephone, and you can stay in touch by subscribing to our newsletter.